Okay, this is late morning, like maybe 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I've just come out from around the garage. So I'm about 50 feet from him right now. He can already hear me. It's just amazing how his appearance changes. So I'm 25 feet below him and walking in front of him between the tree and the house. And he is keeping his eyes on me. So I'm just in front of the living room now, and I'm heading out towards Devon U. I'm doing a little bit of electrical work in the shop today. So I'm walking away from him now, and you can see his posture is definitely relaxing. What an amazing face. Oh, look at this. Oh, he's getting back into sleep mode. It's really interesting because I remember I was looking up at him as I walked by, and of course we had been watching him on video for well, frankly, hours, and he looked like a little puffball. But when you get his attention, he becomes very thin and straight, very different than his puffed up, relaxed state. So I'll be coming back from Devon U here in a minute. I was just getting some measurements. Looks like I'll be disturbing him again. Also notice how his ears just disappear when he's relaxed. Oh, he's getting real comfortable now, getting back to sleep. The other thing that we noted was when we were reading about them, we found out that when they're watching and they don't want to be notified or don't want that, I'll word it differently, don't want you to see them, they will open their eyes, but they'll keep them like slits. So the yellow doesn't show, so it allows him to monitor you without becoming visible. Okay, here I come. And look at the dramatic change in appearance. Ears straight up, body is about 2/3 the size, and his head is locked on me. It's just amazing. Look at his eyes. And I'm about 30 feet away right now, just coming up to the end of the garage. So the threat has passed. Amazing.